This video will analyze QuickHeal's strategic pivot by reviewing their FY26 results and identifying future winners in the cybersecurity market. We will focus on the company's shift from serving home users to targeting large enterprises and government sectors. QuickHeal is undergoing a massive business model transformation, pivoting from B2C personal antivirus sales to advanced B2B cybersecurity. This shift brings short-term pain, including a net loss, but is part of a long-term focus where the enterprise segment is rapidly growing, compensating for B2C losses. The FY26 financial snapshot clearly shows this transition. While there's a net loss of 10.9 crore rupees due to consumer weakness, the enterprise business shows strong positive signs with 22.5% growth. Business sales now make up more than 50% of total revenue for the first time. As QuickHeal pivots toward AI, cloud, and enterprise security, we need to identify the companies poised to benefit in the near future. This strategic shift creates opportunities both for QuickHeal and its supporting ecosystem. The direct winner is QuickHeal Technologies itself. Despite current losses, the company has secured reliable government contracts, built deferred revenue, and is launching new AI and cloud-based tech solutions to drive strong future profits. The expanding ecosystem includes indirect winners like cloud providers such as AWS and Microsoft Azure, who will see increased usage. AI tech vendors supplying frameworks and hardware for QuickHeal security, and IT system integrators in India managing security systems will also see increased business. This chart highlights the success of the transition. The enterprise segment, growing at 22.5%, has now taken over the traditional home user segment, fundamentally changing the company's foundation, with over 50% of revenue coming from the enterprise sector. In conclusion, the Indian cybersecurity market is upgrading. Companies that provide smart, cloud-based security to businesses, like QuickHeal, are positioned to lead the market in the coming years. Thank you for watching this video. Happy investing!